We Hustle Daily. What's going on, Hustle Nation? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a review on the Xtool Smart Diagnostic System Scanner. Right here, let's go ahead and pop this thing open right here. OBD2 scanner for those of you guys who are looking to, well, y'all, if y'all trying to flip cars, y'all definitely should be, you know what I'm saying, using a scanner. So this is a good scanner. It's made by Xtool. We got the owner's manual right here. Y'all already know I am a professional at this, so I already know how to use a scanner. But let's go ahead and take it out of the packaging. Small little scanner here. Right here, Xtool. Right here, screen, touch screen. All your cables and stuff go right here. Memory card. This power button, and yeah, and of course you got your Diagnostic OBD2 cable. All right, and then you got the charging cable right here with this, and I believe that is it. Yep. So pretty simple, easy. Let's go ahead and pop this thing open real quick. Very first time. If you would like to use the scanner, the link is in the description below. All you gotta do is click the link. It will be in the description. Let's get this thing started. All right, so it's an OBD2 scanner. I am in the Hyundai Sonata right now. So y'all know ain't nothing wrong with my Hyundai Sonata. You feel? But let's go ahead and plug this thing up. All right, so we're gonna turn the on location, power button on. As you can see, it's coming on. All right, so I'm not nowhere where you can use Wi-Fi connection, unfortunately. So let's go ahead. Oh man, I probably gotta connect to Wi-Fi. I might be go ahead and connect to my phone real quick. Let me see, cause I don't know if you can skip this step here. Let me see. All right, so you can't skip this step. I need to go ahead and add a Wi-Fi connection. But as you can see, touchscreen, you got your storage, your display, your Wi-Fi unit, language. So I'm gonna have to connect to my phone real quick so I can get past this this screen here. Okay, so now that I'm past that Wi-Fi screen, you don't have to continue to use Wi-Fi, but you just gotta do it to get past that screen. So you got your auto scan right here. You have your, we're gonna do auto detection, so it'll automatically do your VIN number. I'm trying to get that clear off the screen. There you go. All right, so we're in the auto scan. I'm gonna go ahead and do automatic detection right here. I'm gonna do general. This is a Sonata. Let me see, which one is it? 2012. Yeah. Auto scan. Oh, it's going ahead and scanning, okay. Electric stability program. So it is showing that we have a fault. We have the, okay, airbag, yeah, of course, right? Our airbag light is on when I drive. I actually replaced the airbag. So we're gonna go ahead and clear codes, clear fault codes fail. Hold on. Low battery crash, record on the first stage. So yeah, it's really telling us everything that happened with the vehicle. Y'all know this was in a crash. The airbag did in fact deploy on this thing, so it's reading that. It says make sure your engine is turned on and the engine does not start. Yes. Okay, it's not clearing it for us, but it's cool. So let's go back. Let's go to event 2. Okay, same 3 codes. Let's see. Oops. We can clear it. Clear codes fail. Okay, I'm not sure why it won't go ahead and clear it, but it is a fault. And it's another fault here. Let's see what this is. Read. Raw rate sensor. Okay, so it's definitely probably a sensor. It's telling us exactly what sensor that it hit that made the airbag go off. So most likely it's a sensor. We're gonna hit clear all. Let's see. All right, so it deleted everything but the airbag. So let's go ahead and exit that. They got system selection, so you can select each one and then just go in each one like that, which is cool. So this thing does turn off airbags, but this car is obviously in need of something else. So we're gonna go ahead and click something else. We're gonna go ahead and click what did we just click? Diagnostic. And we're gonna find, oops, I did not mean to click that. Asia, Hyundai. General. And click another one. Yes, automatic scan. Okay, so the airbags came up. Okay, now I'm gonna try to clear it this way too as well, just to see. Yeah, so it's not gonna clear it. It's not gonna clear the airbag code at all, unfortunately. But as you can see, all the functions that it does do. We'll click the last one as well. Going through all of them, man. I just want to see if it's gonna cut off. I don't think it's gonna cut off, but yeah, it's not gonna cut off. That sensor got to be changed up under there. Y'all know I just basically put the same bumper on there, you know, on this car. But so you can scan it, just a quick auto scan. You can do diagnostic. We got OBD2 here as well, and you can also just hit auto scan, and you can read the codes, store the codes. So this car has no check engine light, pending codes. It has no pending codes, and it has no permanent codes. This car is good to go. So you got your live data, everything. You got your IM readiness. If you don't know about the IM readiness, make sure y'all go to wehustledaily.com. You got your O2 sensor testing, onboard monitoring, and you got your live data. Let's go ahead and show you guys live data real quick. Go ahead and crank it up. So this is the live data where you can go ahead and check out everything here. Got your fuel system. As you can see, everything is fluctuating right here. So this is your live data, your O2 sensors, trim 1, bank 1, your intake manifold pressure, engine RPM. As you can see, it's around 830, and that is correct because you can see it's right up under the 1, which is 1000. Vehicle speed sensor, ignition timing, air intake temperature, absolute throttle position temperature, everything right here. You can see live data. Let's just go ahead and go back. Let's go to the O2 sensor test. Bank 1 sensor 1, you get to see what bank 1. Okay, it's not supported by this vehicle. Okay. So yeah, you got your special function here. You got more. You can make your profile. You got your settings, reports, and I believe your reports is, yes, it's going to be all of the history of the cars that was in the past. And then last but not least, we got your spectral function, which does everything. This is the best thing about this scanner here. You got your ABS bleeding. This is a battery test, EGR, EPB, SAS, everything, airbag, oil light reset, gearbox, suspension. So this can literally test everything, right? You got your crank sensor relearn, tire pressure monitoring system reset. I actually need to use this on my Benz because the light is on, so I'll be able to turn the light off with that. You got your throttle. You got your window relearn because you can do your windows. You got your headlights, injector coating, suspension, oil light reset. Like I say, there's nothing going on with the car, so I can't like use some of these functions right now. But ABS bleeding, everything is right here, your special functions, which the scanner is the best for those type of situations. And you, of course, you got your updates. Now it did make me update a couple of times, so we probably don't need to update now. But yeah, you see we good to go. So if you are interested in this scanner, make sure you click the link in the description below. It is a Wi-Fi scanner, so you can use it you know, basically like on the internet and things like that. So I appreciate you guys for tuning in and rocking with me. Scanner link will be in the description below. Beautiful scanner, nice little size on it as well. As you can see, it's not too big. Can put it in your pocket, a big pocket like with cargo shorts or something like that. So yes sir, I appreciate you guys. I love you for all y'all support. Links in the description below, and make sure you head on over to wehustledaily.com. I got the fastest, easiest way for you to get auction access under someone else's license where you can buy and sell cars. All right, appreciate y'all, love y'all. All right, Hustle Nation, I'm happy to announce for those of you who are ready to start flipping cars, I can get you auction access within 24 to 48 hours. If you're ready to stop sitting on the sideline and you're ready to start flipping cars, head on over to wehustledaily.com and pick the Platinum package. And for as low as $600, a one-time fee, you guys can have auction access to Copart and the insurance auto auction as a dealer representative under someone else's license. This allows you to go to any Copart or any insurance auto auction in the United States. And essentially you can start flipping cars within 24 to 48 hours. Don't worry, for those of you who want to attend dealer auctions like Mannheim and Odessa, dealer only auctions, I have something for you guys too. I can get you access to those auctions within 24 to 48 hours as well. Remember, the good thing about this service is that you're not putting the cars in your name when you resell them, meaning you can sell the cars under someone else's license without having to register them. For those of you who are not ready to start flipping cars and you just want to learn about the business, I also have a silver package and a bronze package available for you guys, while I teach you everything you need to know about this auction business. If this sounds like something you're interested in, head on over to wehustledaily.com.